Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Calcarea Ars. Full name Calcarea arsenica, short name Calcarea Ars. I will use this name throughout the video. Common name Arsenite of lime. Source compound chemical words. Sphere of action mainly acts on mind, heart, liver, spleen and kidney. Pathogenesis Calcarea Ars acts on heart, producing palpitation. On kidney, produces acute chronic nephritis, etc. etc. Constitution of Calcarea Ars. Physical makeup of Calcarea Ars best suited to fat, fair, flabby persons with like those of Calcarea carb. Hot or cold, chilly patient. Miasm, Sora is in the backdrop. Mental journals of Calcarea Ars. Mentally depressed, anxious, angry, desire company. Suffers from confusion, delusion and illusion. Sensation of flying or swimming as if feet did not touch the ground. Physical journals of Calcarea Ars. Slightest emotion causes palpitation. Adapted to children with enlarged liver and spleen. With enlarged liver and spleen. Look at this figure. The liver coverage and the spleen coverage. This is spleen has come down so much and liver. Used for drunkards for abstaining, that is the drunkard who are abstained, they got some peculiar symptoms. To fight with that symptom, Calcarea Ars can be given so that the person, that is who was earlier drunkard, now he is abstaining, will get better. For nephritis, albuminuria and dropsy. Epilepsy with heart disease. Epilepsy with heart disease. Patient go worse from slight exertion, errors in diet and cold air. Head symptoms of Calcarea Ars. Rush of blood to head with vertigo. Weekly headache, feel better lying on painful side. Headache with palpitation, increase and decrease together. Symptoms of Calcarea Ars. Stomach symptoms, actually stomach symptoms. Region of stomach distended, belching with saliva and beating of heart. Enlarged liver, spleen in chronic malaria, also in children. I have already shown a figure of enlarged spleen. Here one surgeon has drawn a area of spleen in a boy. Note this area where it has come. It has almost cross whole stomach area. It is actually lying behind back portion. It has come from that portion to in forward portion, and huge, covering a huge area. Pancreatic diseases. Pancreatic disease is a very rare disease. Diarrhea worse from taking sweet potatoes or yum. Relieves burning pain of cancer. Mind it, relieves burning pain of cancer. In cancer, sometimes burning pain is there, and that burning pain is not mitigated by any of the medicine. But Calcarea Ars has shown a positive action here. It relieves the pain. It is not cure, but pain is relieved. That is sometimes very much important for the patient. Swollen inguinal glands with tearing of pain in legs. See, swollen inguinal gland. This is the inguinal glands position. This is swollen. The glands are swollen. And the pain in the leg, tearing in the leg. Respiratory symptom of Calcarea Ars. Burning, heat in chest, feeling as if they would suffocate with palpitation. They means patient actually. Patient would suffocate with palpitations. Drawing as with a thread from larynx backward. Urinary symptom of Calcarea Ars. Kidney region sensitive to pressure, passes urine every hour. Female genital symptom of Calcarea Ars. Offensive bloody leukorrhea. Cancer of the uterus. Look at this figure. This is the uterus. The whole uterine cavity the whole uterine cavity is occupied by tumor, and that is endometrial cancer. Endometrial, the term endometrial has come from endometrium. The inner lining of the uterus is called endometrium, and that the lining of that cancer of that particular lining tissue is called endometrial cancer. Almost if it is in advanced stage, there is no cure. There is no cure. Burning in uterus and vagina. Heart symptoms of Calcarea Ars. Palpitations and heart pains before epileptic attack. Before epilepsy, the patient feels pain in the heart. Pulse intermittent. Intermittent means some pulse are missing. Every fourth beat regularly, that is every fourth beat is missing. If you feel the pulse of the patient, you can see that every fourth beat is missing. Neck and back symptoms of Calcarea Ars. Pain and stiffness near nape of the neck. Nape of the neck is a particular area in the neck. That position has been shown here. This red portion. This is called nape of the neck. This is a sensitive area. Violent throbbing pain drives out of bed. There is violent throbbing pain in this region, neck and back region. For this pain, the patient awakes up. Extremities symptoms of Calcarea Ars. Weariness and lameness of lower limbs. Mind this, weariness and lameness of lower limbs. Remove inflammatory products in veins of lower limb. This particular medicine removes inflammatory products which is accumulated in the veins of the lower limb. This is a very rare symptom. This type of symptom is very rare, that some particular medicine is removing inflammatory products. That is in common words, that is an excretory product that is not good for health. That is, he removes that particular medicine, remove this from inflammatory products. Where from? From the veins of the lower limbs. Fever symptoms of Calcarea Ars. Marked malaria. In one time, when there was malaria was very rampant, Calcarea Ars was extensively used as a malarial remedy. And there is extreme chilliness also in the patient of Calcarea Ars. Modalities worse from slight exertion. Slight exertion. The patient is a heart patient. So naturally, from any exertion of heart, whether it is heavy or light, the patient will get worse always, because we cannot tolerate that exertion. The heart is in dangerous condition. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. If you got anything to say, please write it in the comment section. I would certainly respond.